To receive the full 10-year limited warranty on your new Trane system, proper registration is essential. First, the system must be registered within 60 days of installation. Missing this window can reduce your warranty coverage, so timing matters. At HVAC Services Pro, we don't just install your system, we guide you through the warranty registration process to make sure your coverage is fully secured. Once registered, your Trane system includes 10 years of limited warranty on parts, 10 years of limited compressor coverage. To maintain full warranty protection, it's important that your system is properly matched. That means pairing your Trane unit with a compatible air handler or evaporator coil designed for the correct tonnage and refrigerant, such as R454B. On top of Trane's manufacturer warranty, HVAC Services Pro includes a free 5-year labor warranty on all installations, giving you extra peace of mind and long-term protection. If you've recently had a system installed and need help with registration, contact HVAC Services Pro at 866-879-8122. We're here to make sure your investment is protected from day one.